Welcome to London, the capital of United Kingdom. Sylhet. In London, you can travel in many ways. The red double-decker bus is world famous. If you sit on the top floor, you feel like a king or queen of the road. Now let's talk about London's weather. People say it rains every day, but that's not true. Sometimes it only rains 3 times in a day. London has many famous landmarks. Big Ben, which is the bell, not the tower. The London Eye, you can pay to sit in a glass bubble and move slowly. The Tower of London, the crown of jewels live, protected by guards and ravens. Londoners love tea. Morning tea, afternoon tea, evening tea and blah blah tea. I sometimes call my cousin who is in Bangladesh and have a cup of tea with him virtually.
Hello, Khaled. Why like with the tea? Have it in London, not in Dhaka. Yeah?
এভাবেই দক্ষদের মতো ইংরেজিতে অনর্গল কথা বলতে হলে আজই ফলো করো ইতে ইংলিশ।